This looks easy, but don't rush. That's how people get it wrong. We can get bracket 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y bracket times x y equal 1 by 13 times x y. Then we can get x y divided by x plus x y divided by y equal x y divided by 13 times y divided by x plus x times y divided by y equal x y divided by 13. Then this y and this y will be cancelled out, this x and this x will be cancelled out. Then we can get y plus x equal x y divided by 13. And then we can write 13 times bracket y plus x equal x y. Then we should multiply this 13y plus 13x equal xy. By the way, welcome to Math Math Room. Here we'll solve this type Harvard math question every time. So let's go. Like, we can write xy minus 13y minus 13x equal 0. Just we take this whole thing in this left side, then we'll get this equation. Then it will be look like x minus y 13y minus 13x plus 169 minus 169 bracket equal 0. And then we can write like x y minus 13y bracket minus 13 x minus 169 equal 169. Then we can write, take common y in here, then we can write x minus 13, then we can common in here minus 13, then we can write x minus 13 equal 169. Then we can write x minus 13 times y minus 13 equal 169. So here we can get 3 cases for 169 is equal 1 times 169 or 169 times 1 or 13 times 13. So here we can get this 3 cases. So we have to like start for first case 1. We can get x minus 13 equal first case, this 1 will be in here 1, then we can write x equal 14 and y minus 13 equal this 169 will be in here 169, and then we can write y equal 182. Then this exponential equation value will be x plus y equal 182 plus 14. So x plus y will be 196. This will be the like first value. Then we can start for case 2. There we can get x minus 13 equal 169. Then we can write x equal 182 and y minus 13 equal 1. Then we can write y equal 14. Then we can get x plus y equal again 196. This, and now is the last case. This will be for case 3. This is x minus 13 equal, this 13 will be in here, 13. Then x equal 26 and y minus 13 equal 13. So we can write y equal 26. Then x plus y equal 26 plus 26 equal